Big block time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1990 Chevrolet C1500 with the SS454 package, of course. So we have that big block 454 underneath the hood, paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Nicely equipped, also power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. One of the best things about this truck is what you can see right there on the windshield under the 1990, if you can read that. Original mile truck, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, 21,777, I believe it is. We'll take a look at the odometer when we start it up, check out the interior, let you hear it run. Take a look at the black on black grille, front bumper and fascia. You can see in nice shape, and has I believe the cowl induction hood has been added. I don't remember them coming that way from Chevrolet. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, the underside, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Just take a look up and down the side of this truck. First of all, you're going to notice how that mirror-like finish on the black paint, seeing the reflection off the wall, and you're also going to see how straight it is. You don't have any real waves. It doesn't look like there's a bunch of body work that's been done to it, anything like that. Interior, maple colored interior, cloth bucket seats, center console, shifter on the column. Everything looking pretty stock on the interior. Radio in this one does work. They're kind of notorious in this body style for being a little sketchy on the radios, but we're going to get around to that driver's side, start it up. I'll go through some of that stuff with you in a bit too. All right, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Just look it down that side again. Look at the finish. Kind of the roll pan in the rear rather than a true rear bumper. Exhaust tech, dual exhaust tips, and you can see the exhaust on the underside pictures, of course. It's your blacked out bed rails to match. Hard tonneau cover that has been added. Also notice the struts are a little weak when holding up that tonneau cover. I put a vice grip on it for the pictures, and you can see the pictures of the bed in the underside at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, click on that link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. Riding on the stock chrome wheels that would have came with, Cooper Cobra radials. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A little over 21,000 miles on it. And again, look at that reflection coming off that vehicle all the way to the front door. Again, just mirror-like. Haven't seen a lot for nicks, dings, or scratches in this one. Now remember, we always have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. If you can't make it to check out this truck for yourself, you want somebody else to put their eyes on it, touch it, feel it, hear it, they're more than welcome to come do that for you. Now, the one thing I will tell you on these maple or burgundy colored interiors, lots of times when I get up on top of them, the camera is going to wash it out. So it is not faded. This is the true color of that interior. If you look at that far passenger seat right there, that is the true color interior. When I open the door and get right up on top of it, you might see it get washed out a little bit. I don't want you to think it's faded from sun or anything like that. There you can see it. That is definitely the true. Oops, see right there. If I come up on top of this, that's going to wash it out some. It is darker than that. Try to give you an idea. There you go. Get back away from it. It is a true maple. It's not faded. That's a very good idea of the color right there. All right, and as you can see, the cloth, door panels, everything in nice shape. Power windows, power locks do work properly. AC blows cold. Stereo works. Wipers work. Goes through all that. We do have an inspection sheet. If you'd like to consult with a sales associate to go over with you, they'd be more than happy to do that. All right, there's the stereo working, as you can hear. I'm gonna turn the fan and the AC off also. There's your miles, 21,777. Of course, the equalizer and cassette player. Take a look at the dash. And maple color colored dash, not sun-baked, cracked, faded. Top of the dash, everything looking good there. You take a look at this passenger seat. It doesn't hardly look like it's been sat in. Headliner also in fine shape. Carpeting. Whoop. Sorry about that. Try to get that fade out of there, or the glare out of there. And again, seating, no rips, tears. Really showing much of any wear at all. Slip around to the back, so you can hear that 454. Nice little rumble coming out of it. Back in 1990, when these came out, that engine, 345 pound-feet of torque. Can you imagine that? In 1990, these would get up and go. I rolled the windows up and wanted to show you that it did have the smoke windows on the side. Check with any of your state or local laws, depending on percentage of tint that you can have, but I wanted to make you aware of that. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped and let's check out that power plant.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here it is. There's that 454, again, power steering, power brakes. Got some chrome dress up on it, a lot of polished aluminum. AC. Appears it has been converted also back here, not running the R12 yet, which I believe it still would have been in 1990. Wow. Nice and tidy, ready to roll, and again, no accidents, clean Carfax. A little over 21,000 original miles. 1990 C1500, of course, with the 454 SS package. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in